This is Teotihuacan, one of the largest and most complex pyramidal sites in the Americas. This is located in central Mexico near the capital city. It has multiple pyramids besides the largest one that I'm going to be walking on top of. Modern studies have stated this pyramid is to be built around 600 AD, but this pyramid complex is still in debate today as to who the actual builders were. The proper name of Teotihuacan was used by the Aztecs to identify the city built by a civilization before them and which was already in ruins when they first saw it. These pyramids are built in celestial alignment to the Orion star constellation. As we can see here, the three main pyramids match up with the constellation. This city was built with similar attributes to other megalithic sites around this planet, then the world was more connected than we thought. This still goes against our modern academic understanding of these ancient sites. Was this a lost knowledge passed around the planet at the time? Or was this structure really built at a much older time? The celestial alignment to the star constellation Orion is not only present here in Mexico. This star constellation is also shown having the same layout as the Egyptian Giza pyramids, which is on the other side of the world. The location of each of those pyramids in Giza has the same celestial alignment. The significance of this is that both Teotihuacan in Mexico and the Giza pyramids have the same constellation layout. This is no coincidence, and not some broad stretch connecting idea. Ancient man used both the Little Dipper and the Big Dipper constellations as a seasonal calendar so they could predict the arrival of spring, although there must be a more ancient connection building these pyramidal structures across the world. When taking a look at Teotihuacan from above, it has a strange but technical layout that resembles a circuit board. This could be one of those artistic stretches, but when comparing this ancient site to other sites in Mexico and from around the world, the layout is completely different and foreign. Why design such an important place like this? Even when investigating the insides of both Teotihuacan and the Giza pyramids, they both have passageways into the center. The mysterious part of Teotihuacan is that their underground tunnel passageways were buried. It appears that one of the civilizations have filled up these passageways with buried artifacts of pottery, statues, and precious stones. It definitely fits the origin story of this pyramid that their original settlers found these pyramids in ruins, and perhaps they were the ones that filled in the tunnels. So who were these ancient advanced builders? There are no wires and no lost ancient technology where this pyramidal complex was powered by electricity, but maybe there's a latent ability that has yet to be discovered. Or perhaps a much simpler and useful reason for this layout, such as sound acoustics or water channeling that was destroyed through pillaging. We can't get too ahead of ourselves with these ideas, as we need to look at the tools that were found around Teotihuacan. These are the only known tools used by the Aztecs in this area. In the diagram above, we can see some artistic rendition of some stonework and chiseling being done. These renditions are to represent how these pyramids were built, and from these ideas is to display the astonishment of creating a marvel achieved from using these primitive tools. Even though the reconstruction of the pyramid shows crude rocks re-cemented together, which obstructs the true ancient look to this, I find it difficult to believe that those were the actual tools used. If these ancient men created such a marvel which has multifunctional purposes, why did their tools look less advanced? It's understandable that you can do wonders with basic tools, but if these ancient builders had the means and resources to construct this pyramid, wouldn't you think the tools would be more sophisticated looking, just like the structure that they built? Knowledge that was created without the act of curiosity to question everything will always provide us the answers that we only expect to find. Because of the minimal lack of research, we will never be able to unravel our ancient past and help us better understand the grand importance of these pyramidal designs. But one thing is certain is that during antiquity, the same knowledge or idea was used in different locations around the world, which our modern academia says was impossible. Do you think ancient humans around the world communicated more easily and shared each other's knowledge?